Previously on
Theme Park T-Roy.
So I have a reservation at 1 p.m. at Studios to go into the Dreamworks land. Reservation at 1 p.m. at Studios. I am on Universal Orlando Resort property on Memorial Day weekend, and the entire world is here, and I think I'm going to launch myself into space because holy shit, I want to be anywhere other than here. Like this doesn't do it justice at all. The highway had traffic simply because of how backed up the exit to get over here was. I'm so lucky that I left when I did because I have an hour and a half before my appointment for Dreamworks Land, and I might not make it. I'm just so accustomed to going to Universal on days where there's nobody here that when the entire world is here, it's like the worst thing that has ever happened to me. It is now noon and I'm still in line to park. I genuinely might not make it. You know what? I'll try to look at the bright side. At least I don't have to go to the bathroom. That would be truly hell. So I managed to park, but it took over an hour. Now I gotta power walk the whole way just to get there on time. We're cutting it down to the wire.
15 minutes later.
I am sweaty beyond belief. I might actually need to use the splash pod they got over here. But I made it. That was a long power walk. I might need to find some air conditioning to cool off. Alright. We in line for the best roller coaster ever built, baby. It's Trollercoaster or die. Eric Rover's got some stiff competition. It is a complete walk-on. I'm gonna marathon this thing. You know, this fan seems kind of useless if it's just hitting an umbrella.
Daydreamers, make sure that all those loose articles are put away. That includes phones, hats, etc.
Get off the phone! It's official. Trollercoaster's the best roller coaster I've ever been on. Not close. Sorry, Eric Rover. Let's go see what Poe's up to. I got a swamp dog. It kind of looks like Shrek's name. Slash. This van is like my only saving grace right now. It is so hot. Like, it wasn't that hot at SeaWorld. Once I got here, horrible. I'm literally going to see the show that they have right now. Just to get out of the heat. Getting some AC for a little bit. Cool backdrop. This room is so air conditioned, man. I win. I win. I think I've done pretty much everything there is to do in here. It's a pretty cool little area. Definitely an upgrade on what it used to be. It's so hot out, I'm just doing every show I can. Just did the makeup show. Now it's Born Stuntacular time. This show is sick. The Born showing I saw had a technical difficulty, or in the middle of it, or a technical delay. And those are the best ones to get because then they have a spokesperson come out and explain a bunch of the effects in the show, which is really cool. Never really done studios like this where you just go to shows instead of riding anything, but I'm waiting until 4 o'clock when my pass holder daily fast passes kick in. So getting close to that point, so I should be able to start riding stuff soon. You know, I would ride Minion Blast, but it sucks ass, so I'm not gonna. Stupid ass ride. In a twist that shocks nobody, Rip Ride Rocket went down for a while, but I'm gonna try to get on it now. I've got no idea how much longer this thing has left, but I'm gonna get as many rides on it as I can in the next year or so before it's gone. No guarantees it's gone, but this thing's leaving at some point. Who knows when, though. Rocket is such a weird ride, man. Got some absurd forces. That turnaround after the first mid-course is a legit blackout moment. There's some serious ejector airtime in the transitions into and out of the mid-courses, but holy f***, it is so rough. Like, unbearably so. Like, I could totally understand if someone came off of that and thought they had brain damage. Like, holy shit. I completely neglected to film anything inside, but Mummy is still maybe the best indoor roller coaster ever. I'll take it over Cosmic Rewind every time. As outmatched as Studios is in comparison to Islands when it comes to their ride collection, it's still a pretty damn good lineup with Gringotts and Mummy. Men in Black too, that's where I'm going next. Those are my boys. How's it going, Nathan? I still got it. It's a little bit rusty, but I still kick ass on Men in Black. 400 and something thousand. Normally can get around 600 to 700,000, but I'll take it. It is definitely the best shooting dark ride out there. So damn good. I think that's gonna do it for me from studios. I'm gonna head over to Islands of Adventure, try to get a ride on VelociCoaster.
20 minutes later. Stopped at the bottom of the drop track on Hagrid's, which was sick. Still such a good ride. It was only like 20 minutes in single riders too. So I'm just winning all day. Everything's coming up me. Winning, winner, winner, and it's winning, 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 winning.
Somebody lost their weave on VelociCoaster. That's tough. Time to get a ride on baby girl. Let's fucking go. One of the animatronics isn't working. That sucks. I wonder what's up with it. Yeah, VelociCoaster's still a masterpiece. I think it's the best roller coaster in Florida. My second favorite ever. Right behind Trollercoaster. Talk about a beautiful, beautiful park day in Orlando. And even though I've missed a couple of rides at some of the parks I've gone to, every park trip I've done recently has been awesome. So today, you get SeaWorld, most of the rides there, studios, check out the new land, ride the new Trollercoaster, and the best rides at studios, get over to Islands, get on Hagrid's and VelociCoaster before you head home. I mean, you can't really ask for a better day. Although the ride out on VelociCoaster stapled me and got mad at me for not wanting to be stapled, so fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. Everything else is cool. That'll do it. I've been taking increasingly dumber trips over the course of the last month or so just because I'm doing this solo trip to Germany and going to 8 parks in 2 weeks, and I almost need to practice doing stupid, tiring shit. 3 parks in a day. Today was a lot. Almost had a panic attack trying to get to my Dreamworks appointment on time when I now realize it wouldn't have mattered at all. All the footage of me losing my shit realistically was for nothing except for content, because I think it was pretty funny how pissed off I was. In terms of other videos coming up, I'll probably do some more rankings, maybe rank all the parks in Florida. I don't want to rank all the coasters in Florida yet until I get on Penguin Trek and Phoenix Rising. Once I get on those, then I'll be happy to do every roller coaster in Florida ranked. There will be a lot of content coming from my Germany trip when that happens. That's been it for me, and bye.